Mr. Right here, and in this film we're going to understand how to find the new amount after a percentage change. Now, percentage changes are either going to be decreases or they're going to be increases. And let's have a look at each of those. Now, for each of these, there is a two-step method and a one-step method. And you would do really well to get your head around the one-step method because that makes the other things that you need to do with percentages much easier. But let's have a look at decreasing first, and let's have a look at the two-step method before we have a look at the one-step method. Let's imagine that we had to decrease 360 by 27%. Now, common sense would dictate that you would find 27% of 360 and then subtract it away. Well, 27% of 360 is 0.27 times 360, which is, on my calculator, 97.2. And so then I could do 360 minus 97.2 to give me my answer of 262.8. Okay, so decreasing, the two-step method would be to find the amount of the decrease, 97.2 in this case, and then subtract it away. Now, the one-step method is to say this. If I'm decreasing by 27%, what percentage is remaining? Well, if you knock 27% off something, if I do 100 minus 27, I get 73. So if I'm going to subtract 27% away, I'm going to have 73% left. 100 minus 27 is 73. So 73% of the 360 is going to be left. So I might as well simply find 73% of 360. So I'm simply going to do 0.73 times 360. And if I do that on my calculator, I get my final answer straight away, 262.8. You have a go at this one. Let's imagine that we were going to decrease £480 by 45%. Now, instead of working out 45% of 480 and then subtracting that away, ask yourself, what percentage of the 480 will be left? Well, if you're going to knock off 45% of something, then you would have 55% of it left. So all I really have to do is to find 55% of 480. So 0.55 times 480. And that will give me the answer straight away. And the answer there is £264. Right, now, before we have a look at increasing, let's just appreciate what we've done here for the one-step method. We have multiplied by 0. What's left. In this case here, we were reducing an amount by 45%, so 55% was left. So we multiplied by 0.55, 0. What's left. And in the first example, we were reducing something by 27%, so we multiplied by 0.73, 0. What's left.